Hey guys, I got myself some new shoes, so let's give it a try. There's something I want to address today. This year has been an okay year, but there's one thing in particular I want to bring up. I am actually a bad person. I'm a very mean guy. This doesn't come from me. This comes from viewers themselves who watch my videos, thinks they are too negative, even though they're all about lessons learned. Here's the thing. Yes, I am mean because I tell the truth. And to be honest, I hate sugarcoating. And if telling the truth hurts, well, that's really up to you to do what's right? Let me tell you a secret. I have 2 kids and I tell my kids the exact same thing. I give them the reality, I don't sugarcoat them, and I certainly do not give them hope if they are being lazy. If you have watched any of my videos, you'll notice that I always say YouTube is hard. And unfortunately, some of the viewers take it as me being negative, being discouraging, and all stuffs like that. I see it in a different way. I think people grow a lot when they face challenges. They learn and grow when they are in the process of finding solutions. So my videos may seem negative to you, but let's be honest here. It's really up to you how you want to take it. Are you going to run away when there's a difficult challenge? Are you going to give up? Or are you going to take it head on? Some of the most successful people out there see challenges as a source of motivation. And I believe that's how people become successful. And again, like I said, I say that to my kids too all the time so that I can build up their resilience. Because you know why? The last thing I want for them is for them to be afraid of challenges. To be told that everything is fine, that everything is going to work, or even give them a participation prize. Life is a competition. If you only want people to tell you what's good and sugarcoat every little thing, then when things get tough, you'll give up and you'll run away. Same goes with YouTube. It is difficult. It is not a job. It is a business, and not everyone is cut out to run a business, and that's alright. You don't have to take this journey, but if you do want to do this, then you need to know what's coming for you and you need to be prepared. If you hate listening from those who have been there or give you advice in advance, then you are probably not cut out to run a YouTube channel. So that's how I address people who thinks that my videos are really negative. But they also request for positive videos. Anyways, I'll tell you why my videos are always titled negatively. They're not negative videos, the title just implies it is negative. So if you watch my video all the way to the end, you'll notice that it is not negative at all. Unless of course you force yourself to see it negatively, then in that case that's your problem. The truth is, negative titles relate more than positive ones. When people see you struggle, they see themselves in you and they are able to relate what you say back to themselves. And that's relatability. And that's what makes people want to join you on your journey, as long as you find a solution, of course. It is just the way it is. Negative emotions triggers more than a positive one. Telling people you have 10 different ways to help people to improve their life in a positive way, it's good, right? But it also makes it sound like a hassle to people. It sounds like a lecture and it doesn't create any sense of urgency. Whereas for negative title videos, it creates that sense of urgency and it is more inclined to make you want to do something. But anyways, I like to try stuff, right? So I did a couple of positive videos in a row, and guess what? That one negative video outperforms all positive ones. And yes, I've tried it several times. So my advice to you is, if you can't take any form of criticism or any form of challenges or hardship, I suggest you do something about it. If all you want is for people to sugarcoat things for you, to tell you that everything is good, everything is perfect, then I think you just need a little bit more experience. The world is not perfect. Yes, there are many nice people out there, more than bad people. But if these nice people are always telling you what you want to hear because they're afraid of hurting your feelings, or you might take it the wrong way, or they're afraid of offending you, and so they tell you what you want to hear, then that to me is not a nice thing to do. That's just holding you back and they're not trying to make you grow. So if I'm that mean guy, if I have to tell you the truth in order to light that fire in you so that you can prove me wrong, hey, I'm more than happy to be the mean guy. I have no issues in pissing you off if it is going to make you a better person. So that's all from me, the mean guy. Have a lovely holiday season and Happy New Year to you all.